Hello my loves, it's Kasha Plannerista 101. Today we're going to be creating a journal spread. So this is the last journal spread in this planner and we'll be moving to my new planner on the 2nd of January. So today I'm going to be using the Chic Winter from Little of Bosch and her New Year's Eve stickers. So there'll be a lot of these circling around, so let's see what I will do with these stickers. If this is your first time joining me on my channel, welcome. I hope you like it here. If you have been here before, welcome back. Thank you so much for choosing to spend time with me. So here we go. I'm gonna add the floral first and we are off to a start. So this planner is called Sophisticated Florals and we are planning for the week of December 26th through January 1st. So January 1st of 2023, you guys. Oh my lord, right? Okay, so like I said, Happy New Year spread. Super excited about this. It's gonna be very cute, I think, but let's see what I come up with. So I love these little like details that she put in. And there's both stickers there on the foil and on the paper backing. So you can mix and match or you can just stick to one. I'm gonna add this card with balloons right there. So we have some champagne. It's super lovely. Like her stickers are beautiful and I can't wait to use them. And you have Monet, champagne. So there we go. I'm making this kind of decorative spread on the bottom. I'm gonna add 2023 right here. I think that's pretty good. And then let's keep going with other stuff. So I'm gonna add balloons kind of coming off of the sidebar. I'm not going to be using sidebar this time around. I know sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. And I know that you can see the shadows on the page from my previous one. When I journal and I put other stuff on there or write, it's not going to show as badly. So I'm not as worried, but you know, it's one of those things. So I'll just okay, let me just keep going. I'm gonna use the Pop Fizz Cling right next to here. Next up we have, let's see, I'm just pulling all of these little stars off of the page and I'm going to be transferring them into the spread itself. So I just pulled all of these little things. I'm going to put New Year's Eve right there on top of the bubbly. Is there a champagne that you guys prefer, like, or do you like sparkling wine? Like, what's your go-to? So even when I drink wine, I'm very much a cava or a prosecco girl myself. The drier the better. I like really dry wines, so especially sparkling wines. So that's kind of my MO when it comes to those. I really enjoy them when I do actually drink. So I'm gonna add these black stars kind of all over the spread to emphasize like the black part. Like black stars are kind of cool. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just doing it. Okay, so I'm gonna add that. I'm gonna add some white ones. I'm gonna kind of pair up some stars together I'll add a couple white ones right here. I like playing with my stickers quite a bit. I'm not sure. Okay, let's add this champagne flute right there. Okay, let's see. The little one right underneath, I think that looks appropriate. Should I add more? I need something, right? Hello 2023. We can put that on Saturday because at midnight it will be that. What else can we do? Like, I don't want to overwhelm it either because I want to write in some stuff in here. Like on Thursday, we're going to some lights at a local arboretum. I want to make sure I have enough room to write there, but I'm missing some florals because the corner ones are kind of lonesome, so I'm gonna add a little bit of those to the top to kind of adorn the page like so. And same thing up here, and I think this way I'll be able to use the pink and like golden pens to emphasize this, and I think that looks pretty good. Let's see. Yep. Okay, I think that is peachy. Okay, let's keep going. If you guys hear a rumble in the background, it's my dryer. My planner room is right next to our laundry room upstairs. It's super weird. I am working on a tour for you guys pretty soon. I'm finishing up this room. I'm adding a couple more furniture pieces, and I should be set for a reveal. But we'll see. I mean, I'm still working on it, so we shall see. It's one of those things that it's a work in progress. Probably one weekend I'll just sit down and do it all. Anyway, so here we go. This is one of those like fun spreads. I'm gonna add another champagne flute next to this drink, and I think that looks pretty good. Okay, another thing that I can add is this little bottle right there. I think that looks good too. It kind of covers the strings from the balloon. And I think I'm all set. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I know it's kind of simple. I love how it turned out. I can't wait to write in it, and I'll see you very soon for another plan with me. Thanks for watching and thanks for spending time with me. Bye!